Hi guys, welcome back. Guys, this reading is going to be for my Cancer. This is your love reading. We'll see what do we have in store for you, my Cancer. We will see your energies, your person's energies, and what's happening in your love life right now. Guys, keep in mind that these are general readings. It will resonate to most of you, not all of you. So take whatever resonates and leave the rest, okay? So if you're a cross watcher, you can switch the roles and reverse the energies as it suits you. All right, so we'll see what do we have in store for my Cancer. Let me shuffle the cards and then I'll start your reading. Okay, so I've got exact 3 cards, Cancer. This is the Magician, Temperance, and 5 of Wands. I think this wanted to come. I'll take it. That is the 7 of Swords. Okay, this is 10 of Pentacles. I think Judgment. Okay, 4 more. Alright, 9 of Wands, 5 of Cups, two more cards. Okay, so I've got 2 more cards. That is Page of Pentacles, 8 of Pentacles, and Queen of Swords. So I'll take it as it is. Bottom of the deck is 2 of Wands. This is your energy, Cancer. Cancer, as far as your current situation is concerned, I see we have the Magician, the Temperance, and 5 of Wands. This means like you are working on a connection. Could be that you're seeking guidance from somebody else in your family, in your friend circle. The Magician and Temperance means you're working and putting efforts on a connection. Like you are madly in love with somebody, you want this person by hook or crook, and you're putting all your efforts to have them back in your life. For some of you, maybe this person stays at a distance. There is this distance, like this person stays in a different country, you stay in a different country, or this could be that this is somebody you are not in touch with as much as you would want it to be. So you are kind of bridging the gap. You want you want to get closer to this person. Okay, you're putting efforts to be closer to this person. All right, so this is the Magician, Temperance, and 5 of Wands. What happened in your past? We have the Tower, King of Wands, Knight of Swords. Could be that you have been in this connection where you have been in and out. Okay, it's like you were very close, then there was this distance, okay, that came between both of you, and then you got close to this person, and now you don't want to miss on this person. It's like, I think, I don't know, for some of you, you felt that there was this distance between both of you in the past, and somehow after a lot of efforts you both have come together, and now you don't want to lose this person. Okay, this is, I see you in an energy where, Cancer, you don't want to lose this person again. It's like universe brought you both back together, and now you don't want to lose on this connection. Okay, so I see you very adamant on having this person back in your life. See, we have the King of Wands, Knight of Swords. This is somebody who doesn't want to give up. This is somebody who wants to put efforts and let this plant grow. This relationship is like a plant, and you are putting efforts so that this plant becomes a tree one day, and you get to reap the fruit of this tree or this plant. Okay, so this is so good. Some of you, I see you in a place where you're missing somebody. Okay, somebody, and maybe, as I said, you lost this person in the past, and then now you both have come back together, and you're missing some good old times, or you're missing things. I don't know, some of you, I feel, see, with the 5 of Cups and 9 of Wands, do you see this girl over here? Okay, this is a genderless reading. This could be a boy, this could be a girl. This is somebody who is missing the good times. Okay, so you're missing the good times that you have had with your person, Cancer. Okay, you're thinking about this person, you're thinking, why is it not working the way you want it to be, why is it not so easy. You're literally thinking about why hasn't this relationship been easier for you. Okay, it is like you're comparing yourself with others. You are like, things are much more easier for others, why is it not for me? Okay, so you are in this place, Cancer, where you are like very defensive, you're very protective about this person, whoever you're dealing with. Okay, you have a lot of love and you are very protective towards this person. You don't want to lose them at any cost. That's the feeling here. Okay, now as far as the future energy is concerned, 7 of Swords, 10 of Pentacles, Judgment. See, you know what, Cancer, I feel love is mutual. I feel that your person too has love for you. Alright, some of you are doing things secretly to be with this person. Like maybe this person doesn't know, but you're doing things secretly to have this person in your life. Could be for some of you, maybe you are already involved somewhere else, or you could be married and you're still trying to hide things and be with this person. Okay, see, Judgment is here. Maybe some of you may have to take a decision, like you may have to leave somebody else to be with this person. Could be, I don't know. See, Judgment is here with the 10 of Pentacles and 7 of Swords. This means that the decision is in your hand, Cancer. Like you have to take a decision, you have to take a call. How do you want things to be in the future? Okay, so some of you, I think there is a major judgment that's pending at your end, Cancer. Okay, so you have to do this. You could be dealing with a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. You could be dealing with a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. For most of you, okay, these sun signs are prominent. Now let's see what is it that your person feels for you, Cancer. So the first 3 cards in the past, we'll see what is your person thinking about you. We'll see their energy now. Okay, High Priestess. Please give me a message. This is for my Cancer. Okay, the second card is 4 of Swords, upright. This is in reverse. Sorry, this is in reverse. Let me see, Cancer. What are your... I told you, you had a breakup in the past and somehow you both have come together. There has been a patch up between both of you. Okay, a relationship. Yeah, the third card is 4 of Wands in reverse. I'll pull out all the cards and then I'll start the reading, Cancer. Okay, the King of Cups in reverse. Okay, so Knight of Wands in reverse. There was a card that fell down. Just a sec, I'll pull that. We have the 5 of Swords upright. And I think I'll take this 7 of Pentacles reverse. We'll see the future energy of this person now. Magician, Empress. Oh my god, this is so beautiful, Cancer. Queen of Pentacles reverse. Okay, now let me tell you. See, as far as your person is concerned, this person feels that you have hurt them. Okay, your person feels that you have hurt them. This is 7 of Pentacles in reverse. This is somebody who feels that you did not invest enough in this connection. Okay, they feel that you did not invest. They feel that you have not been fair towards this person, which is why this person is kind of skeptical whether to put efforts in this connection or not. See, this person is somebody who still wants to put effort. Like they have a desire to work on this connection, but this has come in reverse. Okay, this is somebody who is thinking about how you have hurt them in the past. Now I'm very sorry to say, Cancer, for some of you this person feels that you did not treat them right, or you may have said some words that was hurtful, you may have done some things that has hurt this person, and which is why I see the King of Cups in reverse, Knight of Wands in reverse, and Seven of Pentacles in reverse. This means that this person has love for you. They have immense love for you. They want to do things for you, but they are not doing it. Okay, this is somebody who wants to do many things for you, but they are not doing it. They are skeptical whether to even put efforts on this connection or not. They have love, but there's something that's holding this person back. What is that something? That something is, see, we have the High Priestess, Four of Swords, and Four of Wands. 4 is very prominent. This is somebody who is trying to, this is somebody who is following their heart, and which is why this person may have started speaking to you. Okay, as I said, you may have had a breakup in the past, and this person may have approached you. There was a reconciliation between both of you. I won't say a complete reconciliation, but this person may have approached you in the past. Okay, they may have started the conversation. Things were still not very clear. With the High Priestess, this is somebody who thinks positive about you, then this person thinks negative about you. This person is in a conflict. At times they feel that yes, you are the one, but the next moment they are like, no, you are not the one. So this person is not very sure. However, they have love for you. I do see love. Okay, their energy is maybe Cancer. For some of you, this is somebody, this is their energy. They feel, I don't know why this person feels that, I don't know, this person has some bad memories with you, because they feel that you have hurt this person in some way, or maybe you both are not on the same page, Cancer. Okay, so that is also one thing. See, now this is, see, as of now you must be experiencing that this person is not putting in efforts, which this is only and only because this person is not very sure what to do. Should they even invest? So they are trying to hold on. See, we have the Knight of Wands in reverse. This person also feels that at times this is somebody who wants to be with you. This is somebody who has a desire of being in a stable connection. See, this is somebody who knows that you are the one. They see you as an empress. They see you as an emperor, which means this, you know, if you see, you are manifesting this person now, and this person is going to manifest you in the future. See, as of now, I don't see them putting efforts on this connection. Okay, you will have to wait some more time, Cancer. Okay, for most of you, 4 is prominent. So could be 4 weeks, could be 4 days for some of you, could be a month for some of you. This is somebody who is not manifesting you right now. I see you manifesting them. I don't see them manifesting you as of now, because this person is in that place where they are thinking on what to do. Should I even go forward? Should I even invest in this connection? But if I see the future energy, like what's coming up for you in the next 1 month, Cancer, 1 or 2 months, this is a general reading, so this could be for the next 1 or 2 months. You know, this is somebody who is going to manifest you. This is somebody who is going to put efforts. Okay, this is somebody who wants you, who would want you in the next 1-2 months. This is somebody who will change their mind. Okay, it's like they are coming from this energy to this. It's like this is somebody who is not sure about you now, but this is the same person who will be very sure about you in the future. See, we have the Magician, we have the Empress, we have the Ace of Wands. This means that this person wants to put efforts, this person wants you, they want you. There is a lot of desire, there is a lot of passion in this connection. I see a lot of mutual attraction. This person is very attracted towards you. See, Ace of Wands, Magician with the Empress means this person keeps seeing your pictures. This is somebody who sees your pictures, who may be seeing your videos. This is somebody who may be thinking about you a lot, but this is something that's coming up for you. So this is somebody who is going to put efforts on this connection, and this is mutual. I see the judgment is in your hands, Cancer. Like, this is somebody who will try to put efforts, but what would you do? Okay, but as far as your future energy is concerned, Cancer, I see you two putting efforts on this connection. So it is going to be a mutual effort. Like, it is going to be a mutual thing. You both want this. You want this person wants you. This is a mutual thing. Okay, I don't see an end to this connection. All right, just a sec, I forgot, I need 4 more cards. Okay, I need 4 more cards. We had the Queen of Pentacles in reverse. Cancer, this person also feels that you were not giving this person the commitment that they needed in the past. Okay, maybe they feel, Cancer, your person feels that they have been waiting since a long time to have a commitment from you, but maybe in the past you were not very sure about this person. So this is somebody who feels that they never got the commitment or the loyalty that they needed from you in the past. Okay, so 2 of Wands with 9 of Pentacles. Some of you, I feel that you're focusing on work, okay, just to divert your mind. Like, you have love for this person, but maybe you don't know where is this heading to. So maybe you're trying to focus on work, but somehow I feel that you want this person, Cancer. 2 of Wands is somebody who has made up their mind. Like, you are literally planning on, you could be strategizing. Some of you, if you are a male figure, you could be literally strategizing on how to make things work or how to get back on track with this person. Okay, Cancer, I need 4 more cards. Okay, see, we have the Queen. Okay, I've got 3 more cards. So we have the Queen of Cups. This definitely says that your person is mad for you. This is somebody who is madly in love with you. Ace of Swords and 9 of Pentacles. See, this is your energy, this is their energy too. It's like you both are trying to ignore each other at this point in time so that you don't miss each other, but internally you both want each other. Okay, that is one thing. I need 2 more cards. I think these are 2 more cards. We have the 10 of Wands and 9 of Cups. This means that if you're single, some of you're going to meet an Aries, Leo, Saggy, or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. This is somebody new who is going to come back in your life. This could be a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius too. Okay, this is somebody new who is coming in your life. You may try to connect with this person, especially if you are single, you don't have anybody in your life. I see an Aries, Leo, Saggy, or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius heading your way. Okay, you could talk to this person. This could be very new, and for some of you this is sent as an option, because if this is not going anywhere, you're very confused, you're stuck, this is somebody who will be sent in your life as an option. Okay, so as far as their deepest desire is concerned, Cancer, I feel that this person wants you. You are the wish fulfillment. They want to work on this connection. This person feels that you both, it's very difficult. Like, at times they feel that maybe you both are not compatible, but the love is so strong that this person still wants to work on this connection. Okay, so I don't know, whoever you are dealing with, this is a genuine person who has love for you and is very loyal and very much committed to you internally. They may not show it, but internally this is somebody who is committed to you. Okay, so let me see. Okay, I don't know, I'm being drawn to this deck today. I tried to ignore this, but somehow I can't. So maybe I have a message for you here, Cancer. Okay, let's see, what messages do we have for my Cancer. I'm drawn to this deck. Like, I tried to ignore this for 5 minutes maybe, but somehow I'm being drawn here. I don't know, so maybe I have a message for you, Cancer. Okay, so let's see, what messages do we have for you, Cancer. Flexible. Some of you, you're being asked to compromise. Okay, it's like you're being asked to be flexible. Like, you have a desire, maybe you have certain expectations from your person. Maybe you want this person to be this way, maybe you want some qualities in your person, and maybe this person lacks few of them. Okay, so you are being asked to be flexible. Don't be rigid on I want this. You may not get all 10 qualities in this person, you may get only 8 qualities or 7 qualities. So you are being asked to be flexible, Cancer. That's the message for you. Okay, for some of you, the message is learn to be silent. Some of you, I feel, see, with the 5 of Wands here, I see that you could be at this moment talking to many people. Alright, this could be your family member, this could be your colleagues. You could be discussing about this person to many people. You could be discussing about this person, or you could be talking to your family members. You are seeking guidance from many people at a time. The message is be calm. Okay, don't talk to many people. See, what happens when you talk to many people, you give your energy to so many people. You're being asked to hold back your energy. You are being asked to be silent, because you will get the right answers when you are silent, Cancer. Okay, so that's the message. Don't put your energy on many people. Some of you, if you are single, you may be knowing many people at a time. So that's the message. Don't try to sail on many boats, because if you try to sail on 2 boats, 3 boats, 4 boats, you will land up falling one day. Or it's like, be clear on what you want and then put all your efforts and energy on that one person. And don't discuss about this person to too many people. I don't know, for some of you, I feel that you could be discussing about this person to many people. Don't do that. Not good for you. Learn to be silent. You will get your answers when you are silent, Cancer. Okay? And when you are silent, you preserve your energy. And when you talk, you give your energy. Alright? Be very sure that you are surrounded with positive people. That's also a message here. Some of you could be surrounded with people who love to gossip, who love to drain your energy. So you are being told that preserve your energy. Okay, that's the message that I'm hearing internally. Don't talk much, be silent. Don't talk much, be silent. I'm hearing this message again and again internally. Okay, and don't discuss about this person to many people. Okay, that's the message. Just a sec, I'll pull one more card. Let's see, Cancer, what message, what guidance do we have for you? One more card to see what guidance do we have for you. Okay, one more card. This is between worlds, and this has come in reverse. Cancer, this means some of you are stuck between 2 chapters. This means you're stuck. I don't know, this message, I see a duck here, and this duck is stuck between a cloudy past and this is a beautiful future. You see this duck here? I see this duck as you, Cancer. You could be stuck between 2 worlds. Maybe you are stuck between 2 chapters. Maybe you are stuck between 2 people. I don't know. See, this is, maybe some of you are on a verge of ending a relationship with a past person. Could be a marriage, like you are in a process of getting out of a toxic marriage and you are heading towards a beautiful future. This is telling me that universe will show you the way. God will show you the person. God will show you the way, but you have to walk on it all by yourself. It is like Mother Nature will tell you who is the right person for you, but you have to walk on that path by yourself. It is like, the message I'm getting here, Cancer, is that, see, some of you will be confused. Mother Nature, God will show you the path. This is the person for you. But eventually, you have to walk on that path. Alright? Now, the choice is yours. What do you want to do? You want to walk on that path or you want to choose some other path? That's your choice. But be very careful of what you choose, because what you choose may not be the right thing for you. Okay? What God chooses, or follow your intuition, follow your heart. Cancer, I always feel that you get the right guidance when you follow your heart. So the message is follow your heart. Don't choose a wrong person, because maybe you choose somebody today. This person may come across as very attractive, or this person may, you may feel that this is the best, but on a longer run, maybe this is not the right person for you. So these two cards are giving me that message that don't make a wrong choice. Like, universe will give you some signs. Could be through your dreams, could be through your intuition, could be through your heart. You may be seeing, the right person will be stuck on your heart. The right person will be stuck on your heart. You will keep seeing the right person again and again in front of you. But if you choose to disobey your intuition, disobey your heart, you may land up taking a wrong decision. See, the judgment is in your hand, Cancer. This card has come by your side. Okay, so the message that I'm hearing is, don't make a wrong decision. Okay, follow your heart, because your heart will never guide you wrong. Okay, so I feel that you will be seeing this person again and again. Like, this is somebody who will be stuck in your heart. The right person will be stuck in your heart. The right person, you'll keep seeing the right person again and again. Could be in your dreams, could be through your heart, could be through your intuition. Your intuition will talk to you. Your intuition will be like, this is the right person, this is the right person. You'll keep seeing that person's face again and again. So if you are seeing that person's face again and again, or you are thinking about that person again and again, that's the person for you. So the message is, be flexible and be very careful on who you choose, Cancer. Some of you are in this process of ending a marriage or ending a relationship, and I see you heading towards this beautiful future. You see this, this is somebody who is ending some things to be here. No, I feel that you are heading towards a beautiful future, Cancer. Okay, so you don't worry. Things are being planned for you. Just focus on your heart, focus on your intuition. You are divinely guided and universe is by your side. Okay, that's the message. God is with you. Just don't worry. Go forward. Okay, don't worry. Take baby steps and you will be here. Like, you see, I see the 10 of Pentacles. This means you are going to be with the right person. Just don't haste, okay? Don't haste and follow your heart. That's the message, all right? Let me pick some love messages. Let's see, what does your person think about you? We'll see what does your person think about you. Any love messages for you, my Cancer? How do they feel for you? Okay, I want to buy a car for you. This is somebody who wants to buy you a vehicle. I wish I could take you with me somehow. See, this is somebody who wants you and they want to take you with them somewhere else. I don't know. This person desires to be with you, okay? So maybe this person wants to shift to a different house with you, Cancer. All right. So they want to be with you. And one more message is, we are a perfect match. This person feels that you are made for each other. You are a perfect match. See, I said this is mutual energy. You both want to be with each other, okay? They want to be with you. You want to be with them. So I don't know. I think you are dealing with your twin flame, because we have the 4 of Wands also in reverse. So maybe you're dealing with your twin flame, Cancer. This is like a perfect match for you. Okay, so that was that, my Cancer. I really hope this helps and resonates, and if this does, I would request you to please like, share, subscribe, and do let me know how did this resonate. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. Thanks for watching. You guys take care, be safe, bye.